Hey guys, welcome to our channel. And if you want to recover your past taxes, so or recover your past tax returns on TurboTax, then this video is for you. So first you have to do is log into your TurboTax account. Here it is. So you can log into, you can go to the TurboTax, just like this TurboTax, and hit enter, and you can find the TurboTax official website where you can sign in by simply click on the sign in, or you can enter your email address or phone number or your user ID. Then after logging into your account, you can find the documents there. You can simply click on it, the documents, and from here you can find the drop down icon with the year. You can select the past year with the file, and you can find the tax file here is stored with the three dot icon at the top at this right side, total right side. You can simply click on it and you can find the download option. Simply click on download and you can download your past tax returns on TurboTax. So that's how you can just do it. Hope you found this video helpful. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, and thanks for watching. Till next time.